Hi, I'm Carrie Foreman of Muskoka Mornings with our No Yolking egg white protein powder. And today we are going to make some yummy chocolate macaroons, kind of like a fat bomb. So it gives you lots of energy in the middle of the day. Have one of these and it'll keep you going for a while. Full of antioxidants, protein, fat for fuel, and some yummy peanut butter and coconut. So let's get started. So I'm going to start by heating a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. And while that's melting, I'm going to measure out a 1/4 cup of all natural peanut butter. Okay, so we're going to use a 1/4 cup of natural peanut butter. Now, if you don't want to use your measuring cup, that would be the same as for tablespoons. And I'm just going to use this. Does balance hormones, but everybody should check. Some people, may do extremely well with it. Other people, it may not be for them. Okay, so this nice natural peanut butter has a little bit of chunk to it, not a lot. So I'm going to use this measuring cup to mix everything up with. We're going to start with 2 cups of shredded coconut. I am using a 1/4 cup of collagen powder. You don't need to use collagen powder at all. If you choose to, great. It just is a smaller chain in the protein. In the proteins, it helps with the stomach lining, your intestinal lining, your cartilage, ligaments, so between your joints and stuff. With that, we have a 1/4 cup of cacao powder, lots of chocolatey goodness. And a 1/4 cup, I've mixed stevia and lakanto or monk fruit erythritol sweetener together. Whatever sweetener of choice you like. Not everybody likes stevia. Not everybody likes erythritol. But neither of these will spike your glucose levels well and adds no calories to it. Okay, and we have a 1/2 cup of almond flour that we're going to now add into there. I'm going to give this a little stir. Now, you can do this right in your food processor if you want, or you can just mix it by hand. At home, I'm a food processor girl. I love to just throw everything in there, whip it all up. We're going to pour in our mixture of coconut oil and peanut butter. Okay, so now we've got this mixed up. Drop it in. These are little lined muffin tins. And you're good to go. Just keep going. Chill them in the fridge for a couple hours. If you want to get them super quickly set, you can put them in the freezer for about 15 minutes and they'll be perfect and ready to go.